Greetings of the day. Our presentation is about COVID 19 coronavirus. Although we all know most of the things about COVID 19, as the entire world is suffering from this pandemic, but still, we would like to educate everyone about the guidelines and everything you need to know about COVID 19 so that there is no scope of negligence or denial. Symptoms of severe COVID 19 disease includes shortness of breath, loss of appetite, confusion, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, high temperature above 38 degrees centigrade. Other less common symptoms are irritability, confusion, reduced consciousness, sometimes associated with seizures, anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, more severe and neurological complications such as strokes, brain inflammation, delirium, and nerve damage. Which COVID 19 vaccines are licensed in India? Two vaccines were granted emergency use authorization by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) in India. Covishield, AstraZeneca's vaccine manufactured by Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin, manufactured by Bharat Biotech Limited. Sputnik V has been granted EUA in the month of April 2021. How can we protect others and ourselves if we don't know who is infected? Stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, especially when distancing cannot be maintained, keeping room well ventilated, avoiding crowds and close contact, regularly cleaning your hands and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue.
बचाना है हमें भारत को बचाना है हाथों को धोते रहना है सोशल डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है सोशल डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है सोशल डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है ये है सबकी जिम्मेदारी घर पे रहे सभी नर नारी ये है सबकी जिम्मेदारी घर पे रहे सभी नर नारी नर नारी बूढ़े बच्चे या हो जवान करे या देशों का सम्मान करे या देशों का सम्मान करे या देशों का सम्मान बूढ़े बच्चे या हो जवान करे या देशों का सम्मान करे या देशों का सम्मान करे या देशों का सम्मान अगर सलामत रहना है अगर सुरक्षित रहना है तो घर से नहीं निकलना है तो घर से नहीं निकलना है ये है सबकी जिम्मेदारी घर पे रहे सभी नर नारी ये है सबकी जिम्मेदारी घर पे रहे सभी नर नारी कोरोना को मिटाना है हमें भारत को बचाना है हाथों को धोते रहना है सोशल डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है